Many years ago, I was figuring out, okay, how do I create this routine, right? This morning routine or morning ritual or whatever you may call it, and actually use it and implement it. So I had an idea of what I wanted to do. And this is back when I was living in Los Angeles. And I felt like I was always in a rush. Like every time I woke up, I didn't have the time to do stuff for myself, and I had to be at work at 9 a.m. And if I woke up at, let's say, 7:45, for example, and I had a 35 to 40-minute commute, I just didn't have enough time to really go through a morning routine. It was literally just, hey, I need to brush my teeth, maybe find some quick food to eat, or even be able to eat in the car or whatever, right? And then listen to an audiobook as I was on my way. And that was quote unquote my routine, but it was really by force, not by design. And so I said, what do I need to do to actually follow through on this morning routine? And what I realized was I don't have the time in the morning to do it. I'm already lacking sleep anyway, because I go to bed pretty late. What if I go to bed a little earlier? And as simple as that sounds, that was actually the key for me to be able to have a routine in the morning and time for myself. So instead of waking up earlier, I said, let's go to bed earlier. So I could maybe sleep a little bit more or have the same amount of sleep, but maybe sleep a little better. And therefore have the time in the morning to actually do stuff that I wanted to do. So then I could actually spend some time reading in the morning, right? Instead of doing it at the office during a break or something. And so once I made that shift of, okay, let me go to bed a little early, it actually created the space for me to implement a morning routine. So that is one way I made time for what I wanted to do, and not just was hoping for a strategy that would magically come true and say, oh, I hope that tomorrow is going to be different, when you realize if you go to bed pretty late every single night, it's just never going to happen.